Good morning, guys. Good morning. It's a beautiful Monday. Today's Canada Day. Happy Canada Day. I'm sorry the TV is on, but my mother doesn't want to turn it off, so we gotta do with this. Anyway, so today I'm going to Ribfest. I'm gonna meet my friends there. If you know me, you know I love food and I love Ribfest. So we're about to head there. Yeah. Let me do a quick outfit of the day. So I'm wearing this cute dress from Fashion Nova. You know what? Let's go to the washroom. So I'm wearing this jumper or jumpsuit or whatever you want to call it from Fashion Nova, and it's like wide leg. Lord Jesus. It's like this, very loose, and some legs, you know. My hair is in a bun because yeah, I'm lazy. And then my cute bag that I don't remember where I got it, but yeah. So yeah, that's it. And I got my shades with me, so it's gonna be a fun day. Today's the last day before I start work on tomorrow, on Tuesday. I'm so sad, but you know what, we gotta make this money. So see you guys at Ribfest. This is my guy Rob. I'm so mad at Rob, yeah. I'm mad at you. Anyways, you know guys, he left me yesterday hanging.
That's not what happened.
You left me hanging.
That's not what happened. The plans changed last minute.
Because? Wait, why did it change?
Because I got too drunk and I couldn't drive.
Got too drunk. Is this your life?
At least I didn't even drive, you know.
Is it Igbo boy or Yoruba? Which one is this cry?
I'm Yoruba.
Yoruba boy.
Tell from the beauty in the face.
Whoever is ready for Yoruba boy here. I won't even say the other name.
I'm not a demon, don't worry about it, yeah? I'm not, I promise. I'm a Yoruba angel. I'm the very opposite.
Oh, Yoruba angel. There we go. So we have Yoruba angel over here. I'll put his Instagram right there somewhere. Follow him.
I don't really post pictures like that, though.
Game time. She's back. Look at her, fine girl anyhow. Yo, my friends have to get used to this camera, yeah, because it's gonna be around a lot. Okay?
You're making Lisa panic.
Sorry?
So you're making Lisa panic.
Panic what? No? Whatever. Guys, do you like my glasses though? I got this in New York.
Not like that.
Not kidding. No, Ralph is a good boy. Like, if you want a good Nigerian, this one here. I mean, I don't trust Nigerians, but I trust Ralph.
You're not gonna correct me and say man.
Huh?
You said boy, I'm not a boy. So.
Oh no, this is a boy. What? This is a whole man, 360 man. Okay. So welcome to Ribfest, guys. I found my friend. Can say hi. Hi, Abby.
If you see the way they kill all these animals and do, like, you would not.
Guys, we're gonna eat friends. Why are we talking about killing animals?
I was just explaining to them why I don't eat pork.
Okay, why? Explain to the viewers. Why don't you eat pork?
Because it's nasty.
You ain't gotta tell me twice.
Long story short, you try. This is the lit one.
Eh.
Start her own channel too.
Oh, then start promoting yourself. What channel? What's your name of your channel?
But she hasn't started.
Yeah, I haven't started yet. I need to get back on Instagram even, like.
What's your Instagram?
Kina XO.
Laura, I'm gonna put it in there, right there. We gotta read
I'm
it.
even buying that exact camera this weekend.
Buy it!
Where'd you get it? It really is though. It really is.
Oh, this is my Jamaican Batman over here, yeah? Did I say it right? Jamaican Batman. Yo, sorry, I can't say
boy,
it.
rude boy.
You wanna be a boy?
I'm a rude
I need
boy.
man around me, not boys.
No, I'm a rude boy.
Okay then, sure.
I'm a rude boy.
Hi, Leo.
How are you?
How are you? You can say hi to my
Yo, what's good, vlog? What's good? What's
These
good?
my people, my
Out here in the
people.
Ribfest.
Okay, I don't know which one to eat. There's so many. Like, let's see. Guys, which one should I go for? We have sticky fingers, Jack on the Bones, Cater Barbecue. There's so many. So this is Cater Barbecue, and this is the prices they have one for their ribs. Should we trust it? Gator. Wow, I'm so blind with these glasses on. Gator barbecue. We're gonna eat at Uncle Sam's barbecue. You wanna hold this for me, please, while I put some spices on it?
Wait, what kind of?
Is it red?
Film the rest of this one too. Looks like really good. Film that one. That one looks nice.
Yeah. Guys. Woo. You need a what? We're gonna eat some ribs. Are you excited? Girl, take off the hat so we can see you. Model status, yes, yes, bam, bam, bam. You guys are gonna try my ribs. So now we're gonna get some funnel cake. I can never come to like events like this and not eat funnel cake. It's just not me. I need to eat funnel cake. Yo guys, look, he's tall too, eh? Jesus. Wow. But yeah, he's taken. Sorry, this one is not for sale. Oh, but this one is for sale. He's single too, guys. Like, wow. My favorite girl in the world. Yo, it's so freaking busy. Hi, baby.
I feel uncomfortable.
Come here, we're here. Yeah. I'm so excited. This is mine. I have Oreo. Which one do you have?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. You're gonna try first cake. Wow.
It's so big.
You like that one better? Yeah, this is my first time trying this one. I don't know.
That's like.
God. Oh my God. Need another one.
Bruh.
Yes, girl. Let me scan you a little bit. Okay, okay. You're extra. Yo, all my friends are fire.
Don't stand next to me, it's tall motherfucker.
It makes you feel short, eh? Oh gosh, I can't even see.
Hi guys, so welcome back. The lighting is so trash. Okay, this is much better. But I may have to walk backwards. Okay, whatever, this is fine. Anyways, so we're currently at Ribfest. We walked out of the festival because we wanted to like find a place to just kind of chill, relax, you know, just do whatever. So right now we're walking to our friends. No big deal, no big deal. Yeah.
Show your outfit, girl, because
This is my outfit. I have a little like feather situation going on. No big deal. My hair is in like two like tiny space buns. They're really bad right now. I will fix them. Do not worry. Do you guys see this pimple on my face? Like, you do not pay rent. Get off my face. Oh my God. Anyways, so we're just walking to our friends. There's a nice breeze right now, guys, and I'm living for it.
pretty much the day is done still. These birds, yeah? Thunder. Oh my God, I'm so scared of birds and they're everywhere. Look at her face. Okay. No, but these. Oh my gosh. Forget. I cannot do this. I cannot come and kill myself. Wait. Oh my gosh. I hate birds. I hate birds. I fucking hate birds. I'm going home. No. It's a no for me. Can we go home? Thank you. Look how close they are. What? Jesus. I'm out of here. Yo, these birds are not fucking playing, bro. Nope. Guys, that was so terrifying. Like, these birds literally were following us, came to our bench, everything. And if you know me, I have a phobia for birds. A whole phobia.
They ran.
They're just coming like that. Are you stupid? Stay in your lane. I don't know whose auntie that was, but stay in your lane. They took over our bench.
They jump on the bench.
Never again, never again. Wow, look. Yes. Anyways, this is the end of the vlog for this week. Yes. Thanks for tuning in. Follow all of us on Instagram. And yeah, we'll see you guys next week. Deuces.